beach? Today let's find out the names of several different kinds of musical instruments. Part 3 of 4. The first musical instrument on our list for the day is piano. Piano. The next musical instrument on our list is the melodica. Melodica. Next is triangle. Triangle. The next musical instrument is the sitar. Sitar. Next is the veena. Veena. Then we have the tanpura. Tanpura. Next is the Ektara. Ektara. Moving on, we have the mandolin. Mandolin. Next is the violin. Violin. Then we have cello. Cello. Next is the double bass. Double bass. And the last musical instrument on our list for the day is banjo. Banjo. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you can identify so many different kinds of musical instruments. Have you ever tried playing music on any one of them? And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.